This is Teacher Sheila. Today we are going to talk about school supplies. Are you ready? Okay, in Unit 1, we have book. Book. Next, chair. Chair. Crayon. Crayon. Table. Table. And pencil. Pencil. Okay, let's try it again. We have book, chair, crayon, table, pencil. Okay, now let's talk about grammar. Okay, what is it? It's a book. Again, what is it? It's a book. What is it? It's a table. It's a table. What is it? It's a crayon. It's a crayon. What is it? It's a pencil. It's a pencil. Now let's talk about colors, okay? It's color red. Again, color red. Okay, let's use the grammar using colors. Okay, so what is it? It's a red crayon. Again, it's a red crayon. What is it? It's a red table. Again, it's a red table. What is it? It's a red book. Again, it's a red book. What is it? It's a red chair. Again, it's a red chair. Okay, now let's talk about numbers. Okay, this is number 1. Number 1. This is number 2. Number 2. This is number 3. Number 3. Okay, now let's count. How many books? How many books? There are 3 books. There are 3 books. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 books. How many chairs? How many chairs? So let's count. 1, 2. So 2 chairs. There are 2 chairs. Lastly, how many tables? How many tables? We have 1 table. 1 table. Okay, now let's talk about school places. Okay, we have classroom. Again, classroom. Next, bathroom. Bathroom. Next, playground. Playground. Lastly, stairs. Stairs. Again, let's try that again. Classroom. Bathroom. Playground. Stairs. Good job. Next,
track,
we will use the grammar. Where is the classroom? It's there. Where is the bathroom? It's there. Where is the playground? It's there. Where is the stairs? It's there. Good job.
track,
Okay, lastly, we will talk about actions. actions. Okay, so this is the classroom communications. Okay, we have sit down. Again, sit down. Next, stand up. Next, stand up. Look, look. And walk, walk. Lastly, listen, listen. Okay, let's write it again. We have sit down, stand up, look, walk, and listen. Okay, so that would be all. Thank you. Goodbye.